Meaning of defibrillator.
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 Defibrillator. A defibrillator is a medical device that delivers an electric shock to the heart in order to restore normal heartbeat. It's used in cases of cardiac arrest, a condition where the heart suddenly stops beating correctly. The shock from the defibrillator interrupts the abnormal rhythm of the heart and allows it to restart with a normal rhythm. This intervention can be life-saving, and defibrillators are often found in hospitals, emergency vehicles, and other settings where rapid medical response is needed.